Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard for investment. First, you will open an investment account, selecting the type that best suits your needs, such as an individual brokerage or a retirement account like an IRA. Next, fund your account by linking your bank or transferring assets. It is crucial to define your investment goals and understand your risk tolerance early on. This foundational step ensures your future investment choices align perfectly with your financial objectives. Once your account is set up, it is time to choose your investments. Vanguard offers a wide array of low-cost options, including exchange-traded funds, or ETF, and mutual funds. Many investors find target date funds appealing for their simplicity, as they automatically adjust asset allocation over time. For broad market exposure and minimal expense ratios, often below 0.1%, consider their well-known index funds. Effective portfolio management is key to long-term success. Regularly review your investments to ensure they still match your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Periodically rebalance your asset allocation to bring it back to your target percentages, perhaps once or twice a year. Employing dollar-cost averaging by investing a consistent amount every month can help mitigate market volatility and build wealth steadily over time. To truly maximize your Vanguard experience, commit to continuous learning through their extensive educational resources. Remember, successful investing is a long-term endeavor, often spanning decades, so maintain a patient perspective through market ups and downs. Consider tax-efficient strategies, like placing high-growth assets in tax-advantaged accounts. Consistent, disciplined investing, even with small amounts like $50 monthly, builds substantial wealth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.